speak for me, because nobody usually rides with us, but we're going to go show these guys some other cool trails, and they brought along one of their friends, so we'll see what kind of nonsense we can get into. Oh, into the rut. Well, I'll be back, I guess, when we get to more, you know, more technical trails that we like, because I'm not going to go very fast in here. It's always usually flooded, so I'll be back. Anyway, we're on to some new trails now. Well, not new trails, but the next set of trails. So good. Alright, so we're on the next power line. Somebody made this a better trail, because this wasn't even a trail for a little bit. Go explore this place. All right, I know some of you guys, if you watch my videos, have seen this place, but before they logged it, it was so cool. But it's like a little pool here. You can come up into here. Then you go down into the bat cave. So sick. Then it opens up to this cool little, like you could swim here. It's so clean. And it comes off from waterfalls up there. Sick. So anyway, you come down to this. This is the waterfall. There's a cave down in there, that little triangle opening. Yeah, there's people. Look at this. Shut off, it constantly does that, but we found this like ridgeline trail, and we're up here too. I should have got a video of what it looks like that way, but crazy view. Hopefully it's a nice little trail, we'll see. Ridden this area my whole life, and we always still find new trails. It's crazy. I just hit my sprocket guard bad off of the rock we went into. This is kind of sick. It's like a four-wheeler trail from back in the day or something. It looks like it went to the left, or to the again. When I looked at it, there's like 90% battery, 3.5 hours worth of recording left. Still shuts itself off. I don't get it. That shit was over there. Are we still checking that one out? I don't know where that's gonna come out though. Come back up, huh? Yeah. Blinking? Try to get itself off, so I don't know what it's gonna get. But we found the mother load of single track out here, which is absolutely sick. I'm never gonna keep up with any of these guys, so you get to listen to me instead of watching them. That's a big ass moose.
Pause for a second, take the mic and I rip it. Flow is always explicit, it doesn't matter who's listening, it doesn't matter who's dissing, cause at the end of the day, my state of mind is always sunny like in WA. Oh, by the way, aren't you the guy with the Burger King rap? Yeah, that's me, 4.5 million. Just try and hate on that, you can't, cause you